Wix versus BigCommerce, which offers better customization for online stores? That's the question we're tackling today. If you've been trying to decide between these two platforms, wondering which one gives you more control over the look and feel of your online store, stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know. And you'll want to stay until the end because I'll share a better alternative for serious store owners. Let's start by talking about Wix. Now, Wix is known for its user friendliness, and customization options are a big part of that. You've got a drag and drop editor that makes it super easy to build your site without knowing how to code. This is great for beginners or anyone who wants to get a site up quickly. You've got hundreds of templates and the ability to change pretty much everything from the layout to the fonts and colors. Next thing, while Wix is incredibly versatile, the deep customization options for an online store are a bit limited. You can make your store look great, but when you start adding more complex features or need something highly unique, you may hit a wall. Wix doesn't give you full access to your site's code unless you're using Corvid, now called Velo, which can be a bit of a learning curve. Now, let's dive into BigCommerce. BigCommerce, on the other hand, is built specifically for e-commerce. It's designed to scale with your business, so if you're looking for more advanced features and flexibility, this platform shines. BigCommerce offers more out-of-the-box customization tools compared to Wix, with its powerful API and open-source code access. This means if you're comfortable with coding or working with developers, you can make your store exactly how you want it. The fourth thing is that BigCommerce comes with a set of pre-built themes that are fully customizable, but it's not as easy to tweak as Wix's drag-and-drop editor. So, if you're someone who wants total freedom but lacks the technical know-how, this can be a drawback. That said, BigCommerce also offers greater flexibility in integrating third-party apps and services, which is a game changer if you want to scale or add custom functionality down the road. Next, let's talk about the performance and speed of both platforms. When it comes to loading times and SEO, BigCommerce takes the lead. Because it's built for larger stores with more products, it's optimized for speed right out of the box. Wix, on the other hand, tends to be a little slower, especially when you add lots of images or heavy customizations. The sixth thing to consider is the level of support. Wix offers 24/7 support, which is great for users who are just getting started. BigCommerce also offers 24/7 support, but it's more focused on helping you scale your store. That means if you need more hands-on help with customization, BigCommerce might offer more relevant expertise for those specific needs. And finally, pricing. Wix tends to be more affordable, especially for small stores or those just starting out. BigCommerce pricing is steeper, but it's tailored for businesses that plan to scale. So, while you may get more flexibility with BigCommerce, you'll be paying more for that customization power. Now, both of these platforms are solid for online stores. Wix is great for simplicity, while BigCommerce offers deeper customization for those who need it. But here's the thing, if you're serious about customization and you want an all-in-one solution that handles everything without the limitations of Wix or the steep learning curve of BigCommerce, I've got a better alternative. After testing all of these myself, I highly recommend you take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. This alternative offers the customization flexibility you're looking for, with an easy-to-use interface and some exclusive benefits you won't get anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the link and try it out for yourself.